Hi everyone, today's video is Scotch eggs. I thought I'd have a go at making these because we're going on a lot of walks and Scotch eggs are a great snack to take for picnics or to eat as you go. They are developing your use of breadcrumbs and making a coating. So just the science behind it is that the egg coagulates, which means the egg goes from liquid to solid when it is cooked. That means that the breadcrumbs stick and it's something that if you keep developing, you can develop lots of different food products using this technique. Some top tips for this are that you need to have the water at a rolling boil before you put the eggs in, then you know the water's up to temperature and you can time it accurately. I use 4 minutes for my eggs because I like them runny, but if you want your eggs to be more solid, then you can do it for 6 to 7 minutes for a hard boiled egg. Another tip is that when you are frying your Scotch eggs, just make sure they are golden brown before you turn them over and before you move them about. So then that keeps the breadcrumbs all together and it stops it from falling apart. And the other one is that I finish my Scotch eggs off in the oven for 10 minutes just to make sure the sausage meat is cooked all the way through, and also make sure your oven is up to temperature before you put them in so that you know that they are in there for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So let me know how you get on. Let me know if you've experimented with spices in your Scotch egg. I like smoked paprika, onion, salt, oregano and maybe curry powder. I'm not putting anything in mine today. That's because the sausage meat I bought already had some herbs and spices in. So you can add what you want. Do it to your own personal preference. As usual, please send me some photographs. I love seeing what you've made, and stay safe. You are using the hob, you are using hot oil, so please just be careful what you're doing, and it is useful to have an adult nearby. Take care everyone, hope to see you soon. Bye.